Hello, my name is Dave Saunders, and I welcome you to the Advanced Manufacturing Lab here at Lakeshore Technical College. You can see that I'm joined today with my friend. We call him Sparky. This is where my students learn how to program and do robotic welding. I am the weld program coordinator here at Lakeshore Technical College. I'm excited to tell you that I'm starting my 21st year of teaching, and I have over 35 years of welding experience. There are so many great reasons why you should consider welding and fabrication here at LTC. I'm going to cover some of those high points in our video here today. Before we talk deeper about reasons why to attend Lakeshore Technical College and weld school, I want to share fast facts about the welding industry. The AWS, American Welding Society, predicts by 2024, over 450,000 welding jobs / fabrication will go unfilled. I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why choosing LTC over other technical colleges welding program is your number 1 choice. All students embedded in their educational journey will have opportunity for weld certification and embedded certificates along the way. The second biggest reason why you should choose LTC is we are very student focused. We have multiple educational pathways. We have a full-time day program that is a 1-year, 27-degree technical diploma that we didn't alter. We just upped the delivery time. That can be delivered in 6 months. That is historically Monday through Friday, 8 till 4:30. We also have part-time paths for the working adults, which also can be delivered by day at 8:30 till 12:30, Monday through Friday. And we have a wonderful evening program that is held Monday through Thursday nights from 5 to 9. I shared with you the flexibility of our schedule, but you will also be introduced to a wonderful team of 5 members. We are all CWI certified inspectors, certified welding educators. Combined, we have over 80 years of teaching experience and 160 years of being out in the field in industry. We have a wonderful employer on campus program where all you have to do is come to class, and the employers will actually come to the classroom, share with them why us, and then they also in the past have done on-site interviews. We're also very in tune with all LTC's resources for you to be successful, like the Student Success Center, peer tutor options. We also have a work study program where you could actually gain work experience while working in the weld school. I'm really excited today to share the third reason why LTC the Weld School is we recently became an ATF facility. What is an ATF facility? Accredited testing facility, recognized by the AWS American Welding Society. So not only is your curriculum accredited, any welder certification you obtain through our weld school will be transferable nationally. Ladies and gentlemen, what's next? To jumpstart your educational pathway in the world of welding and fabrication, please reach out to LTC for more information on how to apply to these programs. And also I invite you to meet Sparky and visit our facilities here on campus. Thank you so much for your time.